Hello crafties, welcome to another tutorial. My name is Infiniti and today I am going to be showing you guys how to crochet an I-cord. This method is typically knitted, but there is a way to accomplish the look in a crochet format, I guess you want to call it. So without further ado, we're going to jump right in. So what we want to do first of all is have our yarn. Let's zoom out just a little bit. I think I'm a little close. So you want to have your yarn. You're going to create a slip knot. And if you're unfamiliar with how to create a slip knot, I have a tutorial back on my channel that will show you how to do so. Alright, now what you want to do is chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to insert your hook into the second chain from your hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. And then you're going to do the same thing for the third chain. Okay? So this whole process is really quite simple. It's really fiddly though when you first get started with it, but the more you work it, the better you get at it. So we're going to pull off loops 2 and 3 and hold them so that your yarn doesn't slip away. Okay, and you're going to grab your working yarn here. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through that loop, that first loop. And then we're going to go about putting the second and third loops back on our hook. So we want to take our hook and insert it back into that second loop. And then we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. We're going to do the same thing for the third one. And this whole thing basically grows in a spiral, like in a weird spiral. So I'm going to do it again. And I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. So I have those 2 loops off my hook. I'm coming back around to get my working yarn, pulling it through that first loop on my hook. Then I'm coming back to grab this second loop. I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop. And then for the third one, we're going to do the same thing. Now these cords are really useful for like friendship bracelets and stuff. I've made a couple with like using some survival knots, and I love them. My friends like them too. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through that first loop. Now you might want to be careful about the yarn you choose to use. Make sure it's not stringy, but you know. And then you're going to put in that second loop. Then you're going to insert that third loop, yarn over and pull up a loop. And you're just going to keep going and keep going until you are satisfied with the length. And so I'm going to work up a few rows, and then I'll come back, show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you how to close off your cord. Alright guys, I'm back and I made mine a little bit long. I'm working with a variegated yarn, so my colors did change on me automatically. So in order to close off your cord, what you want to do, once you have all 3 loops on your hook, you're just going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and you're going to chain 1. And then you can fasten off. And so depending on how long you make your cords, you can in fact make bracelets as well as a number of other accessories. So, you know, have fun with them, play with them. Like I said, I like to do survival knots on mine, and they make really cool, really sturdy friendship bracelets. So until next time guys, I hope today's tutorial was super helpful for you. If so, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below letting me know how I did. Don't forget to check out my other social media. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. And until next time guys, happy making.